Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to check who has added or interacted with you on Yubo without using unofficial methods. So first, open the Yubo app and sign in to your account. Then go to your notifications, interactions, or friend request section and check for any available requests. Now, depending on your current Yubo version and account type, some information about who added or interacted with you may be available directly in the app. If Yubo places certain details behind a paid feature, then there isn't a legitimate setting that unlocks the feature for free. Instead, you need to check your regular notifications and friend requests to see what information is available to your account. You can also review Yubo's current free features and subscription option if you want to know exactly what's included. And please avoid websites, modified apps, or browser tools claiming they can reveal hidden likes or requests. And never give those services your Yubo password or verification codes. Yubo's features can change with app updates, so your screen may look slightly different. So that's how to check your available Yubo interactions without using risky third-party tricks. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.